Hi, I'm Angie Sandoval and I'm the valedictorian. Since I was a child, I've always liked music. I've always felt a connection to it. I was like, I want to be a rock star. I was watching a TV show on MTV. They were talking about the process of making up a song, recording, mixing, mastering, and that was fascinating to me. I got my interface, my microphone, $20 microphones, and I started recording myself. I felt like really attracted to the school. It really caught my attention, so I made some calls and booked a tour. They showed me the school, and right after the tour, I went home and I applied. I got accepted. I was really excited to start with the hands-on experience with the console, microphone techniques. It was like, this is going to be my mentor, and I'm going to learn something that I'm going to use in real life. I was just focusing on studio, like mixing and mastering. That's what I wanted to learn. But I learned about so many different things that I feel like I want to do everything now. I feel like I will have the opportunity and I have all the knowledge that's necessary to do it. But it really helped me to go out there and make those connections and have the experience to say, oh, I can do this. I feel like all my hard work, it's being valuable. It's telling me that when I work hard, I get results. If you are here, it's because you're passionate about what you're doing. I like to say thank you. I just feel thankful. I will be forever thankful to everyone. I feel like I'm going to do something that's going to make me happy all my life.